the dataset first. The dataset has two columns, month. This column has the year along with the month. The passenger. This column specifies the number of passengers that flew in that particular month. We supplement this dataset with the holiday dataset provided by creating a custom data frame here. The holiday dataset along with the original dataset is passed to the profit node. This is where the model training happens. One needs to specify the Y field, which is the target, here the number of passengers, the date column, the DS column. There are other hyperparameters which can be fine-tuned to build the best model, be it in respect to accuracy or interpretability. Then we make a future data frame. For the time frame we want to make the predictions using the trained model. Then we predict for that particular duration using the predict node. These predictions can either be displayed on the screen or during the execution by using print and rows or save to disk. Even the model created can be saved to disk. Let's go ahead and see the execution of this particular workflow. So this is the execution page. One can see the model prediction columns, horizon, and the other metrics as well once the model is trained. The details of the model can be seen in the model browser or the model repository. Like one can see the growth, year, seasonality, and other metrics that were used while the profit model was being trained. Thank you.